Okay, here is the test of the secondary electron detector. Okay, here the blue wire is the output of the detector itself. Okay, so you can see here is the secondary electron detector, and here is the wire that been taken to the detector itself. Okay, here basically 4 wires. This wire is a centimeter voltage. It's about 10 kilovolts. Okay, here a thin black wire is a 30 kg, about 250 volts. Here is a photon multiplier tube power supply, minus 10 kilovolts. Okay, the blue wire here the blue wire is the output of the photon multiplier tube. Okay, here is the photon multiplier tube output, and I connected it into an isolated oscilloscope. Here is a video camera that showing us what's happening inside the sample chamber. You can see now there's a dot on the phosphor disk. Okay, here is the scanning amplifier. It drives the scanning coil using this PCM recorder as a signal source. So this is the focus coil that's driven by this power supply. Okay, here is the oscilloscope is come on, focus. Display the signal. If I turn on the signal source and playing something with the PCM recorder, and you can see a little dot is moving on the phosphor disk, and as the phosphor as the dot moving through the magnetic field that's driven by the scanning amplifier, that the electron beam been scanning through this amplifier. It's changing, so it's kind of changed the photon multiplier output and displayed on the tiny little screen on the oscilloscope. So let me see if we can change it. Okay, now we are putting about the bad apple. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so here you can see, okay, that the electron beam is actually scanning through this area to this area, forming an image. That's the bad apple image. Okay, that's the signal output from the sorry about the intensity. Output from the photon multiplier tube. That's output during the scanning area on the phosphor disk. Okay, here is what's happening inside the sample chamber. Okay, here is the phosphor disk. Here is the phosphor disk. As the electron beam is scanning through the phosphor disk, that's the phosphor disk. The phosphor is not evenly thick enough. So the more thickness about the phosphor, the brightness, more brightness about the intensity on the luminance of the phosphor electron beam turns through. Okay, so that changing out no, actually the result of the output of the photon multiplier tube. Okay. So maybe in next video I will show you the actual image that been made of this scanning electron microscope. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.